ready for a fast, fun countdown of the best beginner 3D printers that make first prints easier than ever. Whether you're stepping into the world of 3D printing or upgrading your first setup, these picks are built to simplify, inspire, and unlock creativity. Today, I'm going to be going over the best beginner 3D printers that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the FlashForge Adventurer 5 million. Adventurer 5 million is a compact, fully enclosed desktop 3D printer designed for safe, reliable printing in home environments. It features a 220 by 220 by 220 millimeter build chamber, a heated bed, and a user-friendly color touchscreen that guides you through calibration steps. Enclosure reduces noise, stabilizes temperatures, and minimizes fumes, which makes it friendlier for shared spaces and late-night sessions. It is compatible with a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PET, and specialty blends, which broadens what beginners can experiment with. Setup is straightforward. You plug in, load filament, and follow on-screen prompts for bed leveling, nozzle height, and first layer calibration. The bed is magnetic and removable, enabling quick plate swaps and easier maintenance, while the nozzle and hot end are built for durability with replaceable parts. Features like automatic filament loading, resume printing after power interruption, and a reliable filament runout sensor protect you from wasted material and failed prints. Printer ships with community profiles and a starting PLA preset that produces dependable, crisp layers and minimal stringing. The overall package emphasizes a balance between safety, accessibility, and quality, so newcomers can move from curiosity to producing usable prints without an overwhelming learning curve. Paired to the generic Mini 3D printer, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Adventurer 5 million adds an enclosed chamber that keeps you safe, a heated bed that supports a wider range of materials, and more automated features that help you move from beginner to confident practitioner without fighting with manually leveled beds or open-framed wobble. At number 4, we have the generic Mini 3D printer. Generic Mini 3D printer is a compact, budget-friendly unit designed for immediate use right out of the box. Its build volume sits around 120 by 120 by 120 millimeters, which is enough for small prototypes and learning projects, but tight for larger parts. Machine arrives fully assembled in most listings, so you can plug in, load filament, and start a test print without a complicated setup. Without an enclosure, prints are exposed to room temperature, which is fine for PLA but can cause warping with ABS or PET in humid environments. The bed in this model is typically glass or spring steel with a basic clamp, offering a flat surface but not always perfectly level from the start. Most users quickly perform a simple bed leveling routine to dial in first layers. Because the price point is attractive, you shouldn't expect heated bed on all variants, or if present, it might be limited, making PLA the most practical choice. The user interface is straightforward, often a small touchscreen or a single knob. It emphasizes simplicity over extensive automation. Because of its affordability, the generic Mini 3D printer shines as a first step into traditional printing for kids or hobbyists who want to understand basic extrusion, layer bonding, and print failures. It accepts standard 1.75mm filament spools and a wide range of software options for slicing, including popular free programs. Paired to the FlashForge Adventurer 5 million, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the generic Mini 3D printer sacrifices an enclosure and advanced features to keep costs at bay, relying on manual calibration and a smaller build volume to deliver the basics. At number 3, we have the Entina Tinita Plus V3. Tinita Plus V3 is a solid, beginner-friendly desktop 3D printer that emphasizes reliable performance and easy setup. It sports a sturdy frame, a heated glass bed, and a responsive color touch panel that guides you through auto bed leveling and first layer calibration with clear visual prompts. This model supports a wide range of filaments from PLA to PET and can handle mildly flexible materials, which gives new users room to experiment without constant material changes. Print surface maintains good adhesion with a magnetic, removable build plate, making cleanup straightforward and reducing downtime between projects. A key strength is the combination of power recovery after outages and a stable extrusion path that minimizes clicking and under-extrusion noises during long prints. The Tinita Plus V3 tends to be quieter than some open-frame competitors, thanks to better ducting and decoupled fans, which matters for late-night sessions and shared spaces. Users appreciate the straightforward setup, which minimizes the intimidation factor that new buyers often feel when confronted with leveling, Z-offsets, and temperature curves. Slicer profiles are friendly for beginners, with preset PLA and standard PEC profiles that work well on typical home desks. Compared to the generic Mini 3D printer, which I have included as number 4 on this list, The Tinita Plus V3 adds auto bed leveling, a more robust print surface, and a more informative touchscreen that reduces trial and error tweaking. At number 2, we have the HEFI 3D Tinatwo. Tinatwo builds on familiar, dependable design language with a refreshed control interface and smoother extrusion. It comes with a magnetic spring steel build plate, which makes removal of prints easier and means you can swap surfaces if you want different adhesion properties. This model emphasizes quiet operation with improved stepper drivers and a geared extruder that offers more consistent extrusion across a wider temperature window. Setup is straightforward for beginners. To unbox, level once using the on-screen guide, feed filament, and begin a first test print that should come out clean with minimal warping on PLA. The Tinatwo is compatible with most 1.75mm filaments and supports standard slicer software, which keeps the learning curve gentle for newcomers who want to explore different print strategies without fighting with proprietary ecosystems. Users often praise its stability during longer prints, where vibrations are minimized by a solid chassis and well-damped fans. Compared to the Intina Tinita Plus V3, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the HEFI 3D Tinatwo focuses on approachable pricing and slightly simpler calibration while still delivering reliable first-layer results. At number 1, we have the Scrib 3D Pone. Scrib 3D Pone is a compact, handheld 3D printing pen rather than a traditional desk printer, designed for immediate, on-the-go creativity and quick mock-ups. It is powered via USB, lightweight, and controllable with a simple trigger that feeds filament and controls speed, giving beginners a tangible sense of how plastics form under heat and motion. Pen's ergonomic design makes it easy to learn freehand drawing or rapid prototyping withoat sitting at a desk, which is perfect for students, travelers, or artists who want to translate ideas into physical form quickly. Pone uses standard 1.75mm filaments compatible with common spools, with onboard temperature regulation that helps prevent jams during longer sessions. While it does not offer a full build volume like a traditional printer, it excels at ideation phases, sketch-to-model workflows, and quick repairs on small components. The trade-offs are clear. You sacrifice repeatable, high-detail layers for portability, speed, and the fun of freehand 3D work that resembles sculpture more than a manufactured prototype. Scrib 3D Pone is an excellent companion to any beginner kit, especially when paired with a regular printer to bridge the gap between concept and finished parts. Paired to the HEFI 3D Tinatwo, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the Scrib 3D Pone offers a completely different modality of creation that prioritizes portability and creativity over the traditional printer's repeatability and material handling.